Yeah, all of this is generated with Seedance 2.0, and the craziest part? It was completely free. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Seedance 2.0, one of the most powerful AI video generators out there right now, completely for free, with no watermark. And yes, 100% legally. So stick around because this one's a game changer.
She won't get far.
Now, if you've ever tried to use Seedance 2.0 directly, you already know the problem. It's expensive. We're talking about paying per generation or subscribing to a premium plan that most of us honestly just can't justify, especially if you're just starting out or experimenting with AI video. But here's the thing, there are platforms out there right now that give you full access to Seedance 2.0 for free, and most people have no idea they even exist. So let me show you. Alright, so the first platform I want to show you is called Dola AI. You can use it on your desktop by just going to the website, or you can download the app on iOS or Android, totally up to you. I'll drop the link in the description below. The first thing you need to do is create an account. Click Log In and sign in using any of the available options. I'm going to use my Google account. After that, enter your date of birth, and you're in. On mobile, it's exactly the same. Sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to go. The interface looks a little different, but don't worry, we'll go through everything step by step. One thing you'll notice right away is that there's no option to buy credits or pay for a subscription. That's because this tool is completely free. I've been testing it for several days, and it has been generating text, images, and most importantly, videos without any issues. To create your first video, start a new chat. At the bottom, click Create Video. The interface will switch to video generation mode. On the desktop version, you'll see Seedance 2.0 selected as the model. You can generate either 5 or 10-second clips and choose any aspect ratio you want. Now type in your prompt and hit send. The AI will confirm that it's generating your video using the Seedance 2.0 model. You'll also notice that it says the generation costs 2 points and that you have 2 remaining. Don't worry about that. We'll cover an easy way to deal with it in just a moment. About a minute later, your video is ready. Open it and take a look. Not only does it generate a high-quality video, but it also creates professional audio that perfectly matches what's happening on screen. But there's an even better workflow. Instead of creating the video right away, start a new chat and choose Create Image first. Enter your image prompt, select your preferred aspect ratio, and generate the image. You can also choose from several preset styles, making it easy to keep all your images consistent across your project. After a few seconds, your images will be ready. Pick the one you like best and click Add as reference. Then switch from Create Image to Create Video. Enter your video prompt, choose your aspect ratio, and send it. A short while later, your video is ready.
I'm home, soldier.
You missed my birthday.
And because it's based on your reference image, the results are even more consistent and visually impressive. I know 3 videos a day probably isn't enough. So here's a simple solution. We'll use a different Google account together with a free Google tool that lets you keep generating more videos. It's completely legal and free to use. First, open Google Skills. I've included links to every tool I'm using in the description below. Click Join and sign in with your Google account. Enter your date of birth, accept the terms, and continue. Next, click Join again and select the same Google account you just signed in with. A form will appear. Just fill in the required fields. You can enter any basic information here. Then click Join. Once you're in, click Start Learning on the left-hand side. After that, open the catalog and search for this course. Don't worry about typing it manually. The exact text is also available on the website, so you can simply copy and paste it. Click Search, then select the course with the exact matching name. On the course page, click Start. A new window will open. Click Launch using 1 credit. It may take a minute to load, but once it's ready, you'll see 2 sections on the screen. Now, open a new incognito window in your browser. Go back to Dola and choose Sign in with Google. Copy the information from the first section and paste it into this field. Then copy the information from the second section and paste it into the next field. That's it. You're back inside Dola with a fresh set of available generations, so you can keep creating videos without running into the daily limit. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.